Hi, I'm Calvin, your AI mortgage assistant. Today, I'm here to guide you through our renovation mortgage loan programs, an ideal choice for those looking to buy a home that may need a little TLC, or homeowners wanting to spruce up their current abode. With a renovation mortgage loan, you can bundle the purchase price of the home and the cost of renovations into a single loan. Now, let's dive into some key details. Firstly, credit scores. Minimum credit score is typically 620 through higher scores may qualify for better rates. Now on to loan-to-value ratios, or LTVs. You can borrow up to 97% of the home's future value, which includes the purchase price and renovation costs. Our process is streamlined and efficient, making it easier for you to focus on the exciting part, watching your home transform. Ready to take the next step? Reach out to us at the Mortgage Calculator and let's make your dream home a reality. Contact us today or visit our website to learn how the Mortgage Calculator can guide you home.